Hilton Head Health Resort, located in Hilton Head Island, South Carolina, is an all-inclusive resort focusing on fitness, nutrition, and mind-body connection. Let's take a look at the standard room. You've got a king-size bed. Next to it is an alarm clock with white noise, plenty of backlighting so you can pick how dark or bright you want your room. There is a working desk and a smart TV with access to Amazon Prime and Netflix, and a little area to place your luggage. Looking into the drawers, there's plenty of drawer space, which is important because some guests check in for multiple months at a time, especially if you're on a weight loss program. The working desk has plenty of USB ports to charge your tech. Then there's the microwave and fridge in the room, which is standard in all the rooms. Plus you have a Keurig to make coffee in your room. The rooms facing the rising sun have blackout shades, little sitting area. I love the cup holders. This was really nice to relax in after a fitness class. Got plenty of space and a closet area with a robe and lockbox for your personal items. Nice touch is the little monogram on the robe. It is super warm and super cozy. You're gonna love that. Let's take a look over in the bathroom area. Plenty of mirrors and throughout the room. You've got a full vanity. They have shampoo and conditioner, lotion, all the little toiletries that you might have forgotten. Plus they have detergent. The laundry services are down the hallway, but that's convenient. And you've got a mirror to put your makeup on with. There's a full-length mirror behind the door as well. See what you're wearing. The towels, the bath towels, are oversized, and the shower has a little stool. I love the shower head. The showers were fantastic. So much better than your standard hotel room. Really nice, a lot of space in the standard room. And then located down the hallway, all guests have access to the common area. At night, a lot of guests will hang out here, and there's a screen and patio. For more information, look at SavvyMamaLifestyle.com and click subscribe.